Intermittent fasting, if done properly, it is a perfect tool for weight loss and healing. What happens when you intermittent fast? One of the biggest benefits of intermittent fasting is enabling a process in our body called autophagy. This is an amazing process that helps our body break down old and damaged cells and recycle them into new and healthy cells. Isn't it amazing? Intermittent fasting has also many more benefits for our body and brain. For example, it can help us with weight loss, can reduce risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, can help us to live longer, improve cognitive function, and many more. I will also link studies below the video if you are interested. Let me tell you a common problem people have when they fast. Many people don't know what is allowed and what is not allowed to drink while fasting. So if your goal is to maximize the benefits of autophagy, the healing process in our body, and get the best result, you can drink only water and supplement with potassium, magnesium, and sodium in the forms of good quality of sea salt. But if your goal is to keep insulin level low and still receive benefit of fasting, maybe not the same as from autophagy, you can drink water with 1 or 2 drops of lime of lemon juice if you don't like the plain water, sparkling water, water with pinch of Celtic salt or any salt you like, but it needs to be a good quality. You can drink coffee, unsweetened teas, but if you feel hungry, especially on the beginning, you can add to your coffee or tea pure fat, about 1 teaspoon of butter or 1 teaspoon of MCT oil if you are dairy free, with a pinch of sea salt. This will not raise insulin and you still will be able to receive benefit of fasting. Okay, so what you cannot drink on intermittent fasting? Tea and coffee with protein powder, because this can raise insulin. You cannot drink bone broth, also the same reason. It contains amino acids and break fast. You cannot drink drinks with keto-friendly sweeteners, because this can trigger insulin spike and also we are becoming hungry. Anything that is above 50 calories should not be consumed during fasting because it can break your fast. Please let me know what you think about intermittent fasting. Have you ever tried? What was your experience? And maybe you have some tips for us that you can share. Thank you so much for watching my video and see you in the next one. Bye!